My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Kaloji Narayana Rao University of Health Sciences, Telangana, Warangal. Kaloji Narayana Rao University of Health Sciences, Telangana, Warangal, which is a prestigious and reputed medical university of India. In this video, I will give you information regarding Kaloji Narayana Rao University of Health Sciences, Telangana, Warangal, Master of Public Health, MPH entrance exam, pattern and syllabus information will be given. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA, entrance exams for various university and institutes like AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, Nimhas Bangalore, Indian Institute of Public Health, IIPH, Christian Medical College, Vellore, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences, Jaipur, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA entrance exams. And for this, if student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So in this video, information regarding Kaloji Narayan University of Health Sciences, which is a reputed and prestigious medical university of India. So Kaloji Narayan University of Health Sciences, Telangana, Warangal, Telangana State. Kaloji Narayan Rao University of Health Sciences, Warangal, Telangana State. So in this video, information regarding Kaloji Narayan University of Health Sciences, Master of Public Health, MPH entrance exams, pattern and syllabus will be discussed so that the students who are preparing for upcoming Kaloji Narayan University of Health Sciences, so that they can get the information regarding entrance exam pattern and syllabus so that they can do their preparation according to the entrance exam syllabus. So this is the pattern for entrance exam. Intent test shall consist of 100 multiple choice questions. So there will be 100 multiple choice questions, MCQs. The details of syllabus for intent test are given at roll number 8.6. The duration of the examination is 90 minutes. So their entrance exam will be of 90 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes. And 100 multiple choice questions will come in entrance exam. All the questions will be of one best correct response type having 4 alternatives. Each answer with correct response shall be awarded 1 mark. There is no negative mark for incorrect response. So there will be no negative marking. 0 mark will be given for the questions not answered. Choose the most appropriate answer. All eligible candidates shall appear for entrance test. Only the candidate who qualify in the entrance test are eligible for admission. The merit list for the qualified candidates shall be prepared on the basis of marks obtained in the entrance test subject to regulation 10. Minimum marks required to qualify in the entrance test shall be as per regulation 3D. The answer key will be released and objections, if any, should be sent to the registrar, KNR University of Health Sciences, Telangana, Warangal by email in the prescribed pro forma. Provide annexure 5th of the regulations before the date and time specified. Note: mere permission to appear for the entrance test is not a guarantee for admission unless she fulfills all the criteria as laid down in prospectus at the time of counseling. Syllabus for entrance test. So this is the syllabus for entrance test. Test paper comprises of part A and part B. So there will be two parts in the entrance test, part A and part B. The syllabus for each part is as follows. So this is the syllabus for entrance exam. In part A, communicable diseases, CD 5 marks, non-communicable diseases, NCD 5 marks, maternity and child health, MCH 5 marks, family planning and contraception measures 5 marks, Primary health care 5 marks, family and behavioral sciences 5 marks, total 30. So part A total 30 marks and part B total 70. General knowledge 20 marks, basic statistics 5 marks, epidemiology 5 marks, demography 5 marks, nutrition 10 marks, sanitation and hygiene 5 marks, environmental health 10 marks, national and international health agencies 5 marks, population policy 5 marks, total 70. So this is the pattern and syllabus for Kaloji Narayan University of Health Sciences, KNRUHS, Telangana, Warangal, Telangana. Kaloji Narayan Rao University of Health Sciences, Telangana, Warangal, Telangana states. And so in this video, information regarding Kaloji Narayan Rao University of Health Sciences, Warangal, Telangana, Master of Public Health MPH entrance exam pattern and syllabus has been given. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA entrance exams for various university and institutes, AIMS, JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPH, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Christian Medical College Vellore, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if students want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.